so far there's been no aircrafts, plus it's just getting cloudy, so there's a good chance we're not going to see any, but we're going to leave it another 5-10 minutes, and if there's no luck we're going to head on. It's a nice beautiful lake in the valleys of Wales. But it's a perfect spot for low flying aircrafts doing their training missions.